Hi, this is Lana, Sisley aesthetician from Holt Renfrew Calgary. Let's talk about proper use of milk cleansers. In Sisley line we have Phyto Blanc milk cleanser with brightening properties and milk cleanser with white lily for dry and sensitive skin. So dry hands, dry face, 2 pumps of milk cleanser, spread all over the hands and massage into your skin whichever way you would like to massage it. Keep going till it feels sticky. After that, take a little bit of water, re-emulsify by massaging your skin, your milk cleanser again, and rinse it with water. Please note, at night, double cleansing is beneficial. Enjoy your product.